Hello, fellow traders. Just wanted to share a personal story. I'm just a regular guy who started this in 2022, I think, at the beginning of the year, right? And because I lost my job, so I started trading. If you're in for the money, you're probably gonna just lose a lot. And my first year, I actually lost 80% of my trade. That was like 40 grand. And if I just invested those 40 grand in Facebook around this time, now it'll be like 280 grand. So if you're trading just for the money, forget about it. Um, I do it for the thrills, and it gives me a sense of joy. But it also get rewarding sometimes, and start making money, after 1 year. But I know a lot of people quit, and so that's just for an advice for the young folks out there who just wanna get some freedom in. Um, just stay tough if you wanna succeed. But if this is not for you, take your ass, bet off, invest in long term. Other things is we are waiting for election. Everybody's waiting for election. It's quiet out there. I looked at all the markets and the reversals and timing. Everybody's pointing to that week. So if not something major is happening this week, then we'll wait.